funny. Why be so now they always start for my face? Oh, you like my face, right? You like my face, right? Today we are on a gangster P. I'm telling you this thing because when I see the time where we start this show.
Yes.
When I see the time where we start this show because there were problems beyond our control. You understand? There were technicalities beyond our control. Okay. So we just start the show at this time. But now when we don't come here, don't worry, everything's going to be okay.
Yeah. The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day, the day of joy. The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day of joy. Mama jollof rice, yeah. You know what to do. Welcome all of come the Paddy Paddy show for today. And I'm sorry to say we'll start small late. Like my wife talk and some things now just hold us back. Actually, my wife the purge. But until the next day, we go continue with the show. Any ITB, we enter yarn chaply. All right, so that this young girl here will feel run, go come out some things right before we start the show on top yarn. Okay, so when we collect this break, they come back. Day is bright.
Then look kajad after you done.
It's bright and fair.
Oh,
she's sleeping for.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Maybe she for no shout. When she shout, she for no shout. Hey, sorry.
Well,
sorry.
Any which way, sorry, yeah. Well, all right, yarn now. Welcome on top of the level. We just jump, enter the gist there before we get to ground.
Straight on to the mark.
Straight up, you know.
No, forget that yarn when they put. Forget that. Today we no do. In the American place there.
Yes.
This particular guy. People that reasoning thinking, you have got to -2.
-2.
This thing I'm telling you, -2 guy. If the thing do all right, you go there at equilibrium, that one at 0.
Hey!
But if the thing don't they over, you go down the enter minus. So this guy brain.
Yes.
If I said this one at -8.
-8 I want here, not -2. It's still small.
-8.
-8.
Ask me say what happen. I will give you the gist. The gist is not for you, it's for them.
Seriously.
Now let me give you this gist. This particular guy for inside airport. You know, say if you want cross airport, airport, when they enter plane to fly a go.
Airport.
Airport. If you want enter inside the that thing, the texture, where they enter, where go they do ping for your body. If you wear maybe like things like metal, where they detect all those bad things. Them. Now this particular guy, he won't enter inside the airport. Now in the thing return am say make him go back. Now they say okay, Oga, you know sometimes they go say make come out your shoe, come out your belt, come out your jewelry.
Yes.
Not being the guy go, they say make you come out in belt. Now the guy say ma come out belt abi. Una go see something. Una go see something. Just nah. Now so the guy come out in shoe. Come out in belt. Now so he begin come out trouser.
Hey.
He come out top. He come out the
buskers.
Yeah, come out everything. When he come out everything finish, he can't come out in watch. That watch when no green and enter and last thing can't come out. He can't pass through the detector. When he can't come out, he can't look the police people say okay.
Are you okay?
Now one search inside my bum now. As soon as everything no enter. Now one search inside. Now he hiss. Just pack your load, just stroll.
I like this guy.
They just they look and they don't fit do anything. What security people, only cast your travelers, everybody just they look the man.
The full airport they battle the whole thing.
He don't tire, say now waiting. I enter first time, you say no. Enter second, you say no. Now he come out everything.
They for checking bone, maybe carry iron for inside bone. So, but that's what they say when they checking bum. Some people they hide things for them.
This thing we are calling a drugging thing.
Then they open now like yo, open, you can say chocolate. The club and begin.
Now, wow.
You understand me now? So different things they happen, but I like that guy don't cause different kind of entertainment for inside airports. People go look and say, "Can you see that
guy?" When he missing flight, go just say, it was a good time I missed my flight. Do you know what happened in the airport today? Yeah. The man is strip naked.
And trust me, some people go record. Some people take selfie.
Oh.
All right, for inside the Obodo Ibo things again, for Auckland, one woman, Auckland.
Okay.
See, not na pidgin English you dey do that. Not the form say you the correct person. Before you say Kylie.
I will wound you.
Okay, but for Auckland, for the one woman they drive, she they drive her driving they go. We dey thank God for some kind of stories last, and then for police people, then with their eye they very very sharp. This woman they drive now, so her motor come out for road, enter water. As motor jump, enter water like that, the thing come they sing, they enter. But thank God, because some policemen they just they around the corner. Just see where the woman, as the motor don't they enter inside the water. You know, say the pressure from the water go make the door no fit open.
Yeah.
A normal thing. When motor don't enter water like that, pressure from water no go fit make the door open. So if you attempt to open the door inside water, it no go gree open. So the woman now can't get trapped inside her own motor. But policemen can't carry stone. They knock the rear mirror, the
back mirror,
the back glass. Can't break it. Can't drag the woman come out from inside the thing. They say the woman life last, but a small thing remain. She for sink with the motor from there. See the woman for here. And they wonder what the woman they think for this place. Am I going to die like this? But they can't break the glass, can't drag the woman come outside. We thank God because the policemen then sharp, very, very well. Our police are for here, we don't say they're sharp too. They're very sharp policemen.
You don't say if not for here. Now selfie people go to take all this thing.
Our policemen,
they're going to take
for
selfie.
this place, they
hey, see her. Instagram, pwa. Twitter, pwa. Facebook, pwa. They go just they snap a picture. Save the woman, she dey die for where, pwa.
But some policemen they say, who send you? You don't go drink.
Or then go ask them,
you don't go drink.
Where police report?
They say, madam, come. When the woman don't come outside, sit down here. Where your police report? Where your driver license? You don't drink, Abi?
Where your
fire extinguisher? If your inner lights too. My motor there inside water. Your inner light. What's wrong to you? But we know we get very, very sharp policemen for this part of the world.
The ones where they do their work, they do their work.
They do their
work. The truth be that.
Yes,
So the one where they do their work, kudos to you.
Yes,
the one where they find inner light for motor where they enter inside water. Wow.
Please, he improve on the job. He improve on the job. All right, so we'll go this break sharply. By the time we come back, we continue on top yarn the yarn. All right, so don't go anywhere. We take come back.
I'm gonna see my elbow inside your shirt.
Why the elbow? Waiting. Your elbow sharp, my yawa.
You know, I go just tell people now, everybody where they watch us, yes?
Right.
You get one reason.
Yes.
Just one reason alone why I like this guy. Now, very happy child. Very, 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 very happy child. I never see anybody where they happy, where they simple, where no get while I reach this guy. This thing now, they talk out from my mind. I never see. Very happy child. But the girls where they in life, we don't know, maybe they get something different to talk. Me, I they talk from the angle of PADI. You understand me now? But the girls where, you know, the...
No, they put S for the girls. Please. As I did like this, I like to love one person at a time.
Okay.
So it's not a girls
okay.
thing.
The seasonal loves, we don't know. Waiting then they think. You know, say if they love one girl, they love different girl every quarter. It's a monthly love.
No. Come on. My kind of love is agape love, you know, and I love everybody.
Will you be quiet?
Say make we really love people. You understand what I'm saying? Like, please, come on, man. I'm saying.
Let us go back to this gist because do you come and know that this girl, we want this girl. She's a girl. She say her name is Mikel Rufinelli. Mikel Rufinelli. Apparently, she don't diagnose her because I think say she's sick. Well, I don't want to know whether na beef and they follow talk this thing on her hate. I don't want to know. But the girl is sick. For my mind, she's sick. She don't talk and now they diagnose her. No be say compliment, na diagnosis. Say now she get the biggest hips for the world.
Hey,
I think that you are sick.
Hips.
I think that you are very sick. Because how dare you say it that skinny girls are not okay? What's wrong with you?
Mayowa.
What?
Is that skinny girls are not okay?
She said girls like us are not okay.
What do you mean? She's now.
They say she get the world's biggest hips.
Mayowa, you go think and twice, oh.
More see this video now. Who does she think she is? Who do you think you are?
Who are you?
Have you even seen?
It's the time to have hips. It's almost like a movement, like something is changing.
Society is infatuated with anything that's not the norm.
Women around the world are getting wider, and for some, it's all going to their hips.
In the big girl world, if you've got the extra hips, it kind of gives you a little advantage.
I find my hips very sexy. I mean, I find my whole body very sexy.
That put another inch on my hips.
Meet 4 women proud to flaunt their unique physiques. The record breaker whose hefty hips measure 8 feet around.
I'm extreme. I have an extreme physique.
The curvaceous Austrian hoping to break into Hollywood.
I get a lot of people, oh my God, look at those hips, look at those curves.
The cheeky granny who sells clips of her hips online.
God gave it to me. Why not love it and use it?
And the hip-heavy singleton looking for love.
I believe there's someone out there who's going to love me for me.
Hauling huge hips around can be a challenge.
You know what to see? Let me say something. Make I say something before you talk. First of all, I don't get problem if you get extreme curves, extreme figure like she call it. Now God give you like she talk am. So love it if you know if you do anything about them. Just love it. But don't you dare insult us that people like us, you know, are not men. No, they like people like us. Hello, we have our queen. We have our Q. We get our own. You understand? We get our market. So now they come here, they tell us, say, people like us are not okay. I'm taking this very personal.
No, we get some people, you know, some people see, people like them, you understand? They're very, very easy to handle. You understand? You want, like, for guys, you want sweep ground, for example. My one, if you take her upside down,
see, come on, we talk something, they talk another thing. I didn't even see where she want to climb that bike. They can't wait for extra.
For this one, no enter the same Okada with me, oh. No enter my motor too, please.
See.
All the Destiny. Who again? Destiny and some other people. Where we be for our personal life. Please, all these hip people. Hip.
Hooray.
Please, behave thyself.
Hooray.
Please. People like the Mayawa. Yeah. All this one, just you take them to the eatery. All those big ones, you carry them to the eatery. Please.
So I beg, make everybody there in lane. It's okay, say you there big. Not insult us. Us where they shallow. Jeez. Because you they vertically, horizontally advantageous to us where we they vertically advantageous.
Go to chop food.
No, not the matter of food. This one are nature. And she did like that. No amount of exercise.
I did hear your heart beat from here. Calm down. Why the best?
I'm very upset. You want make I show you my my hip.
No stand up. No stand up.
My hip. Don't lie, Shakira. The laugh,
oh, yeah, laugh, wasting laugh. I get one story.
Okay,
laugh with they go to worry you. Pastor and senior prophet, eternal sacred order of the cherubim and seraphim, Agodo Egbe, for Ikotu, for Lagos here, Prophet Michael Raji. I gotta carry my real name. Prophet Michael Raji, they say they're baba for the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, they're baba for airport with drugs. What? 609 million naira. Blogo Yabara. They say they carry the drugs and they go South Africa. He say this thing, he contact from a friend, and he don't do this thing since he don't hide these drugs for inside the church since 2014. Now he say people they go church these days, you don't even know what your pastor they do. All man and God do not be say you and pastor. So as the matter tell be like this, in get 3 international passports, we carry different names on top them. It says he be in the part of one big drug group for inside the country like this. And the man he said they don't ordain him as pastor since 1977. Since 1977, spiritual man of God. But now the guy have carry drug. He said this thing a big temptation for him. But if they pray, say God could save him for this matter. It to say this man reach SA. Oh, blah, 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 blah.
You know how much?
609 million naira worth of drug. A pastor and a prophet.
You see, if na ordinary person carry this thing, I foresee I go comment. But since na man of God, you know, say, touch my anointed, do my prophet no harm. Whether you be fake, whether you be real. Now it remain you and God.
No be lie, yo.
It remain you and God.
No be lie,
may God forgive you. That's all I have to say.
finish,
Because you dey spoil for the world, so say then they do the
commenting. She say no comment. We don't leave the matter for ground though. We no talk again. before God, because say God feed it, say make we not judge the people.
If I mean, it don't happen.
So
Shebi they don't
just
cook
leave
catch
it like
and now us talk and no be catch then catch.
We don't tell everybody the gist. So make we go for laugh, they laugh. Hey! Hey! Prophet.
They squeeze us to talk, but laugh, laugh. Come out this thing before we talk, oh. Come out this thing before we talk. Come out before we talk.
Prophet. Hey! I'm not seeing
For the performance, workers installed a runway on the water's surface consisting of plywood boards that were less than 1 centimeter thick. The boards could clearly be seen sinking when others stepped on them. He raised his arms to keep his balance, focused his strength in his toes, and ran at a high speed. However, his first attempt was unsuccessful, ending about 2/3 of the way down the runway. After resting for a bit,
Why would they do us like this? Why would they do us like this? Oh, no, they fake the laugh. This thing no funny.
Wait, but I like him. I like him.
Why
In one kind of different way, I like him.
How?
Now the way the man take they run, like Mr. Bean.
See, we know say you they try save the.
Forget, we will not be save anything. I like him. Now you like him. He's funny to me.
Oh, yeah, I like him now. I owe you.
I don't like him.
Oh, yeah, I like him now.
That video funny die.
I bet follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI PADI.
Please,
we did there for you.
Follow us. Follow us, please.
Sister, follow.
Yesterday I talked something about Mayowa adding in size. Person tweet at us for inside this is say no, say now fine Mayowa they fine. Say no be say she done the add weight. But this morning again I can't see another thing. This morning Mayowa come this show. She dey purge, she dey spit up and down. Something they go wrong somewhere. I don't know.
So Gbadu,
I dey tell you the truth, oh.
You
went. I saw go take them for this show one day. Mayowa will just come. They all say, sis, please, Mayowa, anything you know say you did do under the hidden, it will be revealed. It will be. Now here you go there, oh. Now here me I go there. You go come one day say, I don't, wait,
I don't get a lot. Go do it.
What they say, man. They say thank you to everybody who they join us on top of the show, and those of them they make big and correct comments on top of Twitter. We'll make sure we continue to give them better entertainment.
Meanwhile, these people say they want to redeem themselves. Say they get a very short video for us, so make we just see and very, very short. Please.
Let us see it.
Who card is it? Oh! Get that shit on the planet, boss. That shit on the planet, boss. I'm ready to pop it up.
Otiku. Hey!
We can't look so everything won't happen.
Hey, I can't look.
Only one blow.
And now I'm gonna make my out.
Come here.
What's happen? You are not a violent person, Nama. You are a loving person. You understand me now?
So follow us for Twitter, I beg, at Wazobia PADI PADI. Follow us, we did there for you, live and direct. Take.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we love you. We'll say bye-bye till tomorrow.
Take.